Start. Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim will visit New Delhi next week in a visit that is expected to strengthen India Malaysia in strategic trade and defense cooperation and discuss major developments in Bangladesh, Gaza, and Iran as well. With the parliament session over, the visit is one of a number of upcoming diplomatic outreaches. New Delhi is set to host the India Japan 2 plus 2 with foreign and defense ministers, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will then travel to Poland and Ukraine. Mr. Ibrahim's visit to India from August 19 to 21 is his first since winning elections and taking over as Prime Minister in 2022. His visit will also attempt to smooth over some of the irritants between previous Malaysian governments and India that led to tensions in ties. Mr. Ibrahim, seen as a moderate reformer, was in Delhi in 2019 as a member of the previous government and president of the ruling party when he had advocated stronger bilateral ties. Mr. Mohammed had, however, raised many issues with India, publicly criticizing the Modi government over the changes in Jammu and Kashmir and the crackdown on those protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Act. Mr. Mohammed's government also refused to hand over Zakir Naik, the preacher wanted in India on charges of terror activities. India cancelled palm oil imports from Malaysia in retaliation. In 2020, New Delhi's decision to detain 2,500 foreigners from 45 countries, largely from Malaysia and Indonesia, who had become to Delhi for the Tablighi Jamaat conference had also roiled ties. However, with Mr. Ibrahim's win, the two countries have essayed new ties, including earlier this year when External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar visited Kuala Lumpur and had hailed Mr. Ibrahim's vision for an ambitious bilateral agenda. Coinciding with Mr. Ibrahim's visit, Mr. Jaishankar and Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will hold the India-Japan 2 plus 2 talks with their counterparts, Japanese Foreign Minister Yoko Kamikawa and Defense Minister Kihara in Delhi. The two sides, which last met for the 2 plus 2 in 2022, will discuss India-Japan strategic ties as well as Indo-Pacific and Quad cooperation in August 20. They are also expected to discuss the situation in Bangladesh, where India and Japan have coordinated closely on several infrastructure projects as part of Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida's future of the Indo-Pacific strategy. While a Quad summit in the next few months appears difficult given Mr. Kishida's own leadership battle within the ruling Liberal Democratic Party at the end of September and US elections in early November, the 2 plus 2 is expected to discuss the earliest possible debates for India to host the summit. Over.